Hello everyone, Emmylou here. Merry Christmas if you're watching this Christmas Day. I hope you have a great day. Today I thought I'd do a stork with a Christmas hat and a bell around its neck because why not? Why not? So all you're going to need is a piece of paper, pencil, let's go. Like, subscribe and share. Right, so we're going to start off with, we want to do a circle. So can you see that the circle's going to be this way? So you've got loads of room there. So it's going to be a small circle, and from that circle you're going to go down. Now it looks a bit like a carrot, so you're going to go, oh. And because it's a stork, it's going to have a really big beak. So we're going to touch about there and go whoop. Then this could be quite large on your paper, but I didn't want to do it too big because I want to do a bit of trees and everything at the, at the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to do the hat. So 2 lines just on the top. Then we're going to go across. Then we're going to go whoop, whoop. It's like you're creating a Santa hat. I think we did that for the reindeer as well. Teddy reindeer that I did. And then 1, 2, and then just pointy bit, and at the end of it we can do like a bauble like that. It doesn't have to be a bauble, you could do like a round fluffy thing or something. Now we're going to do the beak so it looks more like a beak now, so just keep your pencil there. Pause the video if I'm going super fast because I know that I go too fast, so pause the video if you need to, and then we're going to do this. Like it's kind of like a D or a C, depends how you're looking at the video, and then this line continues. So all we're going to do now, super easy, is draw an eye there. So like a really cute eye, you can do a cartoon eye, you can do any eye you like, and we're going to rub out, this bit. So get a rubber. And you just have to rub out the guideline. There you go. How cool does he look? He looks cool. Okay, now you're going to touch this bit here and you're going to go down like that. So it's a little bit like a U shape. And then all we're going to do is we've got to create a wing. So from this line we're going to go up and then whoosh. So it's like you're almost joining it up. It reminds me of, you know, if you have stationery and you've got like half a circle. I can't remember what it's called. Oh, I can't remember, but I'll know at the end of this. Then just touch about there, and you're going to go all the way up. So that's like the edge of the wing. And then here we've got another wing. So just touch about there, and you're going to go up. Like that. Oh, I can think of the word, but I can't think what it is. Then we've got to make this look like a wing. So at the moment I'm painting an eagle on a massive canvas, and it reminds me a little bit of this because we're going to do this. You've got to create the feathers of the wing. You can see how I'm doing it. It's like you're following round. Protractor, is it protractor? Oh, I think it is. I think it's a protractor, I don't know. Right, anyway, touch there, just under the beak where the circle meets, and you're going to do this. Down, down, down. You're going to go, whoa. It reminds me of a chicken. I don't know why, I don't think the stork would be too happy if he heard me say that. But it looks like a chicken. And then we can do this little bit. We don't really have to do that little bit, but let's just add it in anyway. And I want to do a beak, so not a beak, a bell around his neck. So you're going to do, make it nice and chunky. And then on the other side, and a bit like, you know, if you wear an award for school, it's just going to be a bell. So you're going to go like that, and then really big, like that. And then you're going to do a little circle that you have, and then just join up there to there, and if you can create like an outline, like a little edge to it. It doesn't matter too much, but I quite like the idea of putting something like that on the bell. Okay, what's really exciting is the night before Christmas I always get excited, even if I'm an adult, and I like knowing that in the evening you've got like, sometimes it snows, so you wake up and there's like loads of snow outside, so in the evening I love thinking it's snowing and you've got all these trees. So these are Christmas trees and they're just going to be outlines. You're not going to draw the whole thing, you can if you want, but these are just Christmas trees that the stork is flying over. So all we need to do now is colour it in. So all I want to do is, I'm going to get some chalk pastels. Ta-da! I simply love chalks. Right, I'm going to get an orange. Just get an orange. I'm going to get a yellowy. You can use anything, but I'm going to get like this yellowy colour to colour the whole beak. I really want this to be quite vibrant, so quite colourful. Now, I'm going to outline the beak with a dark, dark orange. Oh man, I was going to anyway. It's getting to, but it's crunched. Oh, those crunches. Can you see I'm outlining a pencil line with a dark orange? That makes it stand out, and then you can smudge it. So I always smudge it with one finger, because if you smudge it with a whole hand, it's just super messy. Now, anything that's white, I've always gone around with a grey, which I clearly can't find. Oh, so try and find, is it a grey? It's a greeny grey. Not sure if I like that. Well, do you know what? I'm going to use a greeny grey. So I'm just going to outline the stalk that probably looks a bit ill now because it's greeny grey. Oh, do you know what? I forgot something. Sorry. You want to rub out the neck bit. You don't need that bit. Just rub it out. Give you some time to do that because it's going to take a while anyway to go around these bits for me. Now, anything that's white, remember, even if it's the hat or the bauble, anything that's white, we're going to go out, we're going to outline. So if you think about the stalk, I would say, let's do that in grey. Oh, I've got an itchy nose, not good when you got chalk, is it? So then we want, I love the fact I haven't got any of my colours today, I don't know what's going on. Then we want a red, we want red for Santa's hat. Oh yeah, so we smudge that, or blend. Right, one finger. So we blend this grey by drawing over it with our fingers. We're not going to smudge all of it in. Looks like a chicken leg, that one, doesn't it? I wonder what I can call my stalk. You're going to go around your face as well, but because I've got the Tipp-Ex there, it's a bit tricky to see, isn't it? And then you're going to go around the hat bit and then around this bit. Now, this bit is going to be black, the feathers. So you want to rub out these bits because you don't need these anymore. They were just guidelines to help. I'm not going to colour it in just yet because I'm going to let my Tipp-Ex dry. Oh, right, okay. Can you see? Feathers look cool, don't they? Right, let's think. Ooh, I want my bell to be yellow because it just always looks quite cool, doesn't it? Yellow. I could do, oh, do you know what? I'd like to do a blue thing around its neck. That's kind of cool. You'd know it's coming, wouldn't you? If it was, you'd know it's coming over to you or flying near you because the bell would be pretty loud. Any colour you like for these bits. I always find the yellow and red really Christmassy. It's quite nice just to sort of outline it with a red maybe. You choose whatever colours you like, it doesn't matter. Now the trees, because it's night time, you could have a silhouette of the trees if you like, or you could do the whole background black and the trees could be white as though the moonlight's shining on it. But I think I'm going to do them green, because it doesn't have to be completely nighttime yet. So I'm just gonna colour them green, but you don't have to do them the same green, because I quite like to mix and match. So you can have some light greens, and you can outline, because it's kind of like you're suggesting that there's a tree, basically, or you're suggesting that there's trees. So suggestion means it doesn't have to look exactly like all of them are trees. Now, as I said, if you've lost the line, if you can't see they look like trees, get a darker colour green and just draw around them. But I personally think that's enough, isn't it, for that? We don't need to do any more, I don't reckon. You could do a whole forest. And do you know what you could do? You could do lots of houses, roofs of the houses. That'll be fun. Now we're going to do black. So where's my lovely black? Right, these feathers at the end are black. And the black makes it look beautiful, because black against white looks very striking, really awesome. So with your little finger, just smudge or blend. And you could just carry on if you like. You could literally you could outline him if you want to show him up a little bit more. I say it's a him, but it could be a her, couldn't it? So I might outline it. Oh man, the middle, the end of it is orange. Hang on. Can do a little eye there. So you could literally outline all the thing if you like in black. You don't have to, but it might look quite cool to outline everything. It's up to you. But it looks quite cartoony when you outline it, so it kind of looks awesome. Awesome. Right, okay. We're going to stop in a minute. I'm like, oh, I'll do a bit more. Right, so this bit here is orange. It's orange, this bit. His little foot. So what would be really, really cool is if it's snowing. Like every time I say the word snowing, I just smile, because I love snow. I actually really like lots of rain as well. All of my friends don't like rain, but I love rain. I'm trying to look for my black. It's possibly falling on the floor. Yeah, I love rain, and I love it when it snows. So you could literally take, do you know what? Let's just take loads of different colours. Why not? We're going to do, I don't know, a red and a blue. To be fair, I like the idea of snow, but I can't find my black, so I'm going to do blue. If you're using chalk, this is really cool to do this, because you can have blue. Should we do a pink? Aww, I like that. Looks quite happy. So then you get your clean finger, and you can just, well, you have to change fingers. Make sure you, I'll do the blue first. Can you see how it looks almost like an orb? You're like a shiny ball ball. Quite cool. And there we have it. Ta-da! There is my Stalk in a Christmas hat. Happy Christmas, everyone. Have an amazing day, whether you're on your own or not. I'm on my own for Christmas today. And you know what? I'm having a really good time. I'm going to eat lots of food, and I'm just going to relax, really, watch some nice films, and just enjoy it. So happy Christmas. Hope you enjoy this, and let me know what you get up to.